Welcome to Shiksharthi. In my last video, we were discussing about numbers and lettered series. We started with difference in series. Let us continue some more examples so that you can get a lot of logics, lot of ideas on logics, like what and how the series are developed. Okay, so let us see the difference over here. I find it to be 8. Here the difference, I find it to be 8. Here the difference, I am finding it to be how much? 13 and 17. You can 34. So 16 is a difference. And here the difference is again 16. Here the difference is nearly about 24. So this is 8, 8, 16, 16, 24. So the next one also have to be how much? 24. So adding 24 to that, 97 is my required answer in this case. Next one, if you continue to do this, all of you, if I do 12 and 15, I can see the difference is 3. Here the difference is how much? Something around 6. Here the difference is 3. Here the difference is 6. Any guesses, my friend? I don't see any constant increase or alternate series here. But can I able to say something on that? If you observe, I take two ways of doing it. You may think first instance anyone may get an idea like this. It is 3, 6, 3, 6 alternate. So next one have to be again 3. So my answer have to be 33. With this numbers, the answer is okay, fine, no issues at all. But the other way I wanted to convey here is 1 plus 2 is how much, friends? 3. So that 3 got added here. 1 plus 5 is how much? 6. So he added 6 over here. So this is also an important logic which we need to remember. Okay. Again 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. Added with 3 here. And then 2 plus 4 is 6. Added with 6 here. And 3 plus 0 is 3. Added with 3 here. And finally I got the answer as 33. So sum of the numbers. I'll quickly make one more example here. 1. Adding 11. 1 plus 1 2. Adding 2 it will be 13. 4. 17 if I add one more, then 8 if I add 25, then adding 7 it will be 32. What is my next number in that case? So here 1 plus 1 2 added with 2, 1 plus 3 4 added with 4, again 1 plus 7 is 8 added with 8 and then added with 7. Finally I'll add 5 and this number becomes 37. So in that way the things will be. So here if you see the next example, friends, 10th one, 91 to 81 it is decreasing by 10. The next one is 81 to 72 it is decreasing by some around 9. And the next one 72 to 761 it is decreasing by 11. The next one here it is decreasing by 61 to 54 it is decreasing by 7. So what is the logic behind this? I am not finding any constant increase or decrease like in the previous case 3 6 3 6. Here 8, 8, 16, 16, 24, 24. I am not getting a logic here. Any straight away logic? No. So I will try differently here. Say 91 we have, 81 we have, 72 we have, 61 we have. What is 9 square plus 1? 10. So this is the 10. The next one, this one would be, or else 9 square. Sorry. I repeat once again. Here the things are, I would say this is 9 plus 1 square kind of a number. This is 8 plus 1 square. This is 7 plus 2 square. And this is 6 plus 1 square. And this will be 10, this will be 9, this will be 11 and this will be 7. So I got the same numbers here, 10, 9, 11, 7. So what is the next number here? We have 54. So for 54 what it will be? It will be 5 plus, say it is 5 plus 4 square. 16. 4 square is 16. 16 plus 5, 21. I should subtract here by 21, which is going to be a 33. So my final answer to this series is 33. Okay. So these are the examples on different series. Now let us take a product series here. Now the next examples, all of you. Product series. What is product series? Till now if you understand, we are either adding the numbers or we are subtracting the numbers. And also if you see the sequences which we practiced, the numbers were not rapidly increasing. I mean the size wise they are not increasing, value wise they are not increasing big. But if you look at the numbers 2, within 4 steps it has become 162. There is a big increase. You can see the numbers here. There is a big drop in the numbers or big increase in the numbers. You see all these numbers are big increase. 13 has become 312. So it's a big increase. So in the previous examples, if you see, the increase was very slow, very small increases. So they are with the difference we made. Now product. Here you see, I can say this as into 3, into 3, into 3, into 3. So what is into 3 of this? 486 is the value of into 3. Okay, so next. This is, I find it to be multiplied by half, again multiplied by half, again multiplied by half, and again multiplied by half. Again we should multiply it by half. That's your answer, right? So half of 5 is 2.50, half of 25 is 0.125, and then add, it is 2.625 is what I get. So that is into half, into half, into half. So when I multiply with into half, it's getting a fraction. What is next? 64 to 48 and 48 to 36. See, please remember one more thing which is very, very crucial while practicing this topic. Don't decide by looking at the first two numbers what is happening, what is the logic. What I am doing every time, if you please understand, I am taking all the possible values and then I am declaring the logic. First two numbers may have different logic, second two numbers you may find a different logic. It should not be there. For every number there have to be a same difference. So what I am finding here, 64 to 48, this got multiplied by 3/4. 64 to 48 is 3/4 of the number. There could be also said 64 to 48, if I have to talk something on it, then what I'll say, this is subtracted by 16 also I can say. So there are a lot of things. From 64 to 48 I can get it by many ways. So this is a multiple of 4, this is also a multiple of 4. In that way I find it to be a difference of 16. So if I think like difference, but next number, do you find a difference of 16? No. Then what? If I take into 3/4 for the next number, 3/4 of 48, 36. 3/4 of 36, 27. So I am finding here it is getting by a constant multiply of 3/4. So 3/4 of the number it is taken. And the next one is 3/4 of this number is taken over here. Then finally 20.25 into 3/4 will be 15.25. 3/4 is 625. So my number will be something like 15.625 is my number, 3/4 of the number. So here you see a constant multiplication, constant product. You see product series it is. So constant value is multiplied, constant value is multiplied, constant value is multiplied. Now again, increase or decrease value. So here may not be the constant, but the product series it is. Okay. So let us take this value here. This I can call it as into 1 all the case. This I can call it as into 2. This I can call it as into 3. This I can call it as into 4. This I should call it as into 5. So for into 5, this is 1560 is what I get. Into 5 when I do, it is 1560. So you see, it is increasing and then multiplying. Increasing and multiplying. Therefore, the value got increased by a rapid value here. Big value you can say. Rapid increase here you can say. The next number if you see all of you, if I look at it, the next number all of you, this one, we have a series. Next one if you see, 4 become 20, that means into 5, 20 becomes 80 into 4, this one into 3, this one into 2, and this one into 1, it is again 480 is what I get. So clear all of you? Next one, 32 to 128. If you have any idea like how do we get these numbers, I am finding this to be into 1, fair enough, and this to be half, exactly half. I need not have to start from the beginning every time. So this one it seems to be into 2 and this one it seems to be into 4. So 4 has become 2, that means half, 2 has become 1, again half, half of 1 is half. So you can say every time it is getting multiplied and simultaneously the value is getting half also. This one into 2, into 3 I am finding, into 5 I am finding it here, and then into 7 my friends. So here the use of prime numbers as possible. So here the next number will come by multiplying with 11. So this will be 1050, 1050 is what I need to do for getting a multiple of 11, 511. So this is going to be 11550 is the value for after you multiply by 11. So these numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, they are increasing but increasing like prime numbers. Okay. The next one, if you multiply, you will get it. Into 4, fair enough. This is into 6, fair enough. This can be into 8, cross check, into 8. 8 8s are 64, last number 4, matching. I don't have to completely multiply. If you can randomly take it into 8. See, what is into 10 if I do this? 480. This value is definitely less than 480. This is not a decimal. So you can just imagine 8 times is the one. And then you see what is the next one you are getting it here. Is it going to be into 10? Like 4, 6, 8. Will it be 10? No. So will it be 9 at least? Yes. It is 9. 9 times of 384. What is 10 times of 384? 3840. And this number is less than 3840. You can observe. This number is definitely less than 3840. So it is not into 10. It should be into 9. Now you must be wondering 4, 6, 8, 9. Sir, composite numbers. So that's what I was trying to say. By looking at the initial two values, you should not decide anything. Try to get as many as possible and then decide the logic. Now, most of you might have thought like this is into 4, into 6, into 8, so this have to be into 10, but there is a sudden twist. So that kind of a twist you should be always ready to. Okay, so this is into 2 friends, this is into 4, which has happened, and then this number would be how much? And y24, see this, most of you might have again thought of into 6, but not even 10 times there is, right? So it is less than that or more than that. I'm sorry, there is more than that value. What I assume, like this might be a logic like 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 8 plus 8 is 16. So maybe it is into 16, my friends, into 16. So let us do it here, all of you. So this is 88 into 16 is what I need to do it. Okay, 88 into 16. How do we get this? 88 into 16 would be 48, 8, 4 times, and this is 48 plus 8, 56. 56 and 4 is 60. Fair enough. You got it. Ending with 08, you got the same numbers. So it is some. I need not have to add all of them or do complete process many times. If I understand the logic, that is more than enough. So here some of the numbers will be 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 8 is 13. I will multiply this by 13. 8 3s are 54, last digit 4, satisfied. So what is my next number to be multiplied here? 1 plus 8, 9, 12, 12 and 4, 16. Into 16 if you do, you will get the next number over here. Okay. So if you have options, it will be easy for you to search, because what should be last digits I should get here? 4 into 6, 24. Ending with 4 is what I need to search for. And if you have multiple values, then there is no choice. You need to multiply the entire number and then get the answer for this. Okay. So now let's see the next example. I think we already did this example last time. It's going to be like 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5 and 5 into 6. So next one have to be 6 into 7, which is 42. The next one I find here is 1, 4, that is 1 to the power of 1, 2 power 2, 3 power 3, 4 power 4, 5 power 5. So my next answer have to be 6 power 6. So 1 power 1 is 1, 2 power 2 is 4, 3 power 3 is 27, 4 power 4 is 256 and 5 power 5 is 350. See, this is purely because I remember the numbers, it become very fast for me. I could able to understand the logics very faster. But still, why did you consider this to be a product series? Because 1 into 1, here 2 into 2, you are multiplying 2 for 2 times. Here 3 into 3, you are multiplying 3 for 3 times. So it comes under product series, all of it. Next one, squares and cubes. If you are good at squares and cubes, then you can do this. This is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. So definitely 7 square, 49 have to be the next answer here. This is 2 square, this is 4 square, this is 6 square, 8 square, 10 square. So definitely 12 square, 144 have to be the answer. I am recognizing the number, so it makes it very simple for me. Now here, in the next example, 7, 13, the difference is something like 6. I am not finding anything for 6 here immediately. This is 6. And this one, the difference is -4, plus minus. So it's a plus minus kind of a stuff. Then it is something like -5, but again suddenly a plus 12. So 7, 4, 5, I'm unable to relate them. But if you look at it, the series, we are talking about squares and cubes. So let me check here: 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, which I know it has 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. The next one would be 36, 49, 64, 81, and the next one is 100, and so on. So this is 7, this is 7, this is 9, this is 13, this is going to be 10, this is going to be 9, this is going to be 1, 121 is going to be 4. So if I take the alternate numbers, I got the series. See here, 7, 13, 9 and 4. The next followed by, you say 144, 11, 12 square, 169, 13 square, 13 square this is. So something like 13 square. What is sum of these numbers, all of you? 9 plus 1, 16 is what I get here, 16. So I got the next number as 16. So it is something as an alternate numbers square roots and then taking the sum. So what is the number here? 13 square we got it. Next one have to be 15 square, which is 225. 2 plus 2 plus 5, this have to be 9 in that case. Okay, all of you. This one is 13 to the power of 3, 11 to the power of 3, 9 to the power of 3, 7 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 3. So odd number perfect cubes. So this have to be 3 to the power of 3, 27 have to be the answer in this case. So 27 have to be the answer, friends. I repeat, this is 20. Say, I repeat, this is going to be a 27. 27 is the required answer here. Okay. So let's see some more examples, all of you, quickly some more examples. The next one here, the difference I find to be decreasing by 25. The next difference is something like minus, here the difference is to be minus 9, here the difference is to be minus 4. So here the difference have to be minus 16. So perfect squares, 5 square, 4 square, 3 square, 2 square. So this have to be subtracted by 1. So this have to be 45. So you can see the questions on perfect squares and perfect cubes we have done. Next one is alternate series. So in the beginning I told you alternate series. If you look at these alternate numbers, I'll find some logic. These are all increasing by 2 every time. And here these are all increasing by 3 every time. So next number have to be by increasing 3, that is going to be 12. Alternate numbers. Here 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. 4, 7, 10 are increasing by 3. So this is a combination of prime and plus 3 kind of a stuff. This was the combination of even number and that is plus 3 kind of a stuff. Even number and plus 3 kind of a stuff. So as per the series, 4, 7, 10 added by 3 should be 13. Then again 4, 16, 36, 64. How do we take this? 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square. And this is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. So this have to be a 4 cube. Again 64 is my answer in this case. This is plus 4, plus 2 and plus 4. So this is plus 4, plus 2 and plus 4 kind of a numbers. The other number is 16, 64 and 100. This is something like squares it seems. 4 square, 8 square. This is going to be 8 square and this is going to be a 10 square. So how do we take this? 16, 64 and 10. This probably have to be 36 here. So this is 6 square, 8 square and 10 square. The next have to be 12 square, that is 144 is the number. And here what else we have here, alternate numbers. 2, 4, 8, 14. This is plus 2. This is plus 4. This is going to be plus 6 kind of a stuff. So this have to be plus 8. That is 22 is the required answer here in this case. Now when I take this split series, number split series, I have a numbers given here 121, 143, 187, the next one is 275 and 352. If you look at the middle number, it is sum of two extreme numbers, 1 plus 1, 2. This middle number 4, 1 plus 3, 4. This number 8, 1 plus 7, 8. This number 7 is 1 2 plus 5, 7. And this number 5 is 3 plus 2, 5. So here I am using 11, split and keep the value in the middle. This is 13, this is 17, this is 25. And this is going to be 32. So how do we get my next number? You see, 13 and 11 and 13 have a difference of 2. Here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 8. And here the difference is 7. So the next difference, how do I get? What is this 2? Can I say 1 plus 1, 2? 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 8. 1 plus 7, 8. Like that. 2 plus 5, 7. So I added 5, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. I should add 5. Then it becomes 37. So 3 and 7 in the middle, it will be something like 10. So answer is 3107 is the answer. Similarly here, the middle number is sum of two extreme numbers, 1 and 5. So this is going to be 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. The next number have to be 20. So 2 plus 0, 2 have to be the answer. The middle number is sum of the two extreme numbers. Here 314, 3 plus, I can say, see again this case, 314. The middle number is the difference of two extreme numbers. 4 and 3, the difference is 1. So I got this 1. So this was 34 actually. This is 46. 4 and 6 difference is 2. Then 3 and 5, 8 and 5 is 3. So the middle number is 3. So basically 80, 58. And then the difference have to be 70. And the last one is 82. And these numbers are increasing by 12 every time. Plus 12, plus 12, plus 12. So if I increase by 12, it is going to be 94. So 9 and 4 in the extreme, difference is 5. So answer is 954 as a difference. So similarly, you can try these numbers, the rest of the numbers here, and then get it. I'll give you the last one. Here 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. And 5 square is 25 here. 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. 7 square is 41 in the middle. 2 plus 7 is 9. So this is 5, this is 7, this is 9, sum of the extreme numbers, and 9 square is 81. This one is 11, the middle number is 11 square, 121. And here the difference is something like, 31. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 is the one, and here the difference was 11. Sum of the numbers. You can understand the logic. So keep on practicing these things, all of you. In our next video, I'll talk about numbers along with letters. Okay? So till then, keep practicing. Thank you.